Blue Designs, and today we are going to be showing you a simple project if you are an embroiderer digitizer and have knowledge of StitchArtist 3 and Essentials. And this is what we are going to do. Today we're going to make a design using those two programs in the Embrilliance software. So let's get into it. So I have a blank canvas here, and I'm in the StitchArtist Create menu. I'm going to start by using the TT True Top Art. I'm going to just tap the letter B. I'm going to make it bigger because I want to be able to use this letter for the artwork. Of course, I need some room in my hoop, so I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. Alright, so I have some artwork. That's all this is. It's just a letter artwork from a TT True Top Art. Font. So now that I have that, I'm going to go to the lettering tool, which is in Essentials. So we have our lettering come up. I'm going to say blue. I'm going to go down, find me a font that I want to use. I've already passed it because it's super fast to get to it. Okay. So I have me a lettering object. I'm going to adjust it just so I have it like I want it to be. And boom, there we have it. I'm going to rotate this. I'm actually enlarging it just a little bit. I'm not going to go crazy on the enlarging, but just a little bit. So I'm going to select that object, go to Create Menu. Okay, so when you go to Create Menu, you're no longer able to select your lettering object because that is Essentials. But you can select it in the Objects panel. So now that I've selected in Objects panel, I'm in the Create menu. I'm going to go to my Path Operations. I'm going to inflate this. No, I'm not going to inflate. I am going to create an outline from the stitches on the page, which is my lettering. So now I have an object from the True Top Art. I have a lettering object, and now I have an outline object. While the outline is selected, I'm now going to inflate, take away soften corners, and I'm going to do about 5 somewhere here. I'm going to say okay. So now I have all of these objects. So now I'm going to union them, which is the second button on the second row. I have 2 outline objects and a union object now with the lettering object and also my artwork object. So while I have these 2 outlined selected, I'm just going to hit the delete key and delete them off the board because I do not need them anymore. So now I have my union, and while I'm holding the control key, I'm going to hit the artwork from before. So I have both my artwork selected. I'm going to go back up here to my path. I'm going to go to the second button that says subtract. So I'm going to go to subtract, and when I do that, it makes an offset of this word cut into my line at the top. So now I have created one object, so I'm just going to delete the outline on there. So now I have a line that I can go to my stitches, add me a satin column. I'm going to make it 4 millimeters to make it thicker. So now I have this, and now I'm going to change my colors because I don't like it to be just black. I'm going to change my colors for all my objects. And so now I have this letter. which if I wanted to, I could make this blue a little different, so it makes that blue pop out, whatever I want it to do. So now I have a lettering object. And that is how I make this letter where it has cut out of my big B here. So thank you for watching. I hope that you come back to see more. And that is all we are going to be doing today. But thank you for taking the time to watch with Lydia Blue Designs.